Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts. We're only using one just to show you guys that this does work, give you a shot in trying this out, you know what I mean? And this is the absolute laziest way to make money online that I have ever found. There's nothing easier than this. Alright guys, I'm just show you exactly how to do it. Alright, so if you're interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Only 20% of you will subscribe. Please subscribe and we'll get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in general. Is because its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. That means you make money every single month for each sale when they stay in the system. Alright guys, so one person could give you thousands of dollars. All right, that's the thing. Over time can give you thousands and thousands upon thousands of dollars. So that's the reason why I like promoting it, and that can really scale up and make you some decent income. All right guys, so I've already made about $5.3 thousand doing this, and this is the absolute laziest way to do it. You can really put in work and promote this product if you want to. I think you do really well. All right, so guys, let's get to it. So first off, we're going to refresh the page, see what my results are. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. These are reveals. Yeah, these are reveals guys. We did not get a sale yesterday. And that's totally fine, not a big deal. As you can see, rebuilds are basically brand new sales anyway, so it's not really that big of a difference, you know what I mean? And that's what I mean by how this works. You can get sales you made way back in like last year sometime and still be making money off of those sales because people stay in the system. All right guys, that's what's so nice about it. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you what to do first. First, you need to get your affiliate link. Now I'm gonna show you exactly what to do here. Now first and foremost, you're on my video and you're watching it right now. So what you need to do is just come down to the description here, open it up like that. You're gonna see step 1 and step 2. Now you're gonna see step 1, and that's the link to the all-in-one digital $25 business here. You click on that and you'll get to this page here, and what this page here just basically explains what the $25 business is and how much money you can make and all that good stuff, you know what I mean? And all that stuff. And you can just look over there if you wish to. But once you decide you want to try this out, just click on one of these green buttons here. It's going to take you to a page where you can put in all your information and purchase the product. $25 business. All right guys, I recommend also getting this right here, which is HBA Premium, which is basically teaching you how to convert traffic and stuff like that, and it's constantly updating all that good stuff. But it's $125 a month. All right guys, now the reason why I recommend you getting this product in particular is because you have to own the product to get commissions for the product. All right guys, so for example, if you were to get in here and not get this product, right, and pay, just get the $25 business, and then you get somebody in the system. Let's say you get somebody in the system, they decide, hey, they want to try this out, they want to have this as well, you know what I mean? And so they come through. You will get $20 from the $25 here. You will get that $20, but you won't get that $100 from the $125. So if you really want to scale your money up, get the $125 as well. Get the Home Business Academy here. Anyway, you get through the system here, you pay for all your stuff. It'll take you to, eventually you'll get to this page here. You'll get to a page of something like here up top right here. Once you make all your information to sign in and stuff, your password and all that. But once you sign in, you get to a page of something like this. And what you want to do is click on the affiliate zone here. Click on the affiliate zone and you come down to sign up for affiliate program here. Now you click on that, right? It's going to take you to this page here. You can put in all your information, and it's very, very simple, very, very simple information. It's very easy to do. And once you do that, guys, you log in the SoundCard, and that's going to take you here. All right, guys, take to this page here. This is where you get all your affiliate links at. So we don't got to your affiliate links. Very easy, very simple process, right? So this is the affiliate link that I personally use. This one right here, the all-in-one $25 business. That's this page here, and it works really well. So that's why I use this. And I got a ton of sales with it, 64 to be exact. I got more sales than that. I think it's reset or something like that. But anyway, once you get your link, you want to come back to your page here, my page here, my description link here. You're gonna see step 2. You got your link, now you need to promote it. All right, so we're gonna promote it with My Lead Gen Secrets, like I spoke on before. We just need one account, so we're gonna sign in here, and you're gonna be on this page here. This page is gonna say, it's gonna tell you exactly what the My Lead Gen Secrets is, but TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day that you can mail once per day. For example, if you were to sign in today, you'll get 100 leads that you can send an email to right now. Right now, tomorrow around this time, you can mail it to 200 people. All right, guys, see what I'm saying? And it slowly builds up until you have like a ton of people you can mail. Anyway, let's log in here. Now, like I stated before, most people get a bunch of accounts, somewhere around 10 sometimes, and just constantly post it, because you make more money than you spend doing this. No matter what you promote, I found that you make more money than you spend having all of these accounts, so it's really worth it. All right, so anyway, guys, it's worth it. No matter what you promote, even you're gonna at least break even, you know. So that's why people have a ton of these accounts. Very easy to make money with them. But anyway, you're gonna log into the account here. You can make your account too. It's a very simple process. You know how to do it. Here you can check out your leads. Here you can get your master email swipes if you want to purchase those as well. I'm gonna show you my emails though, if you don't really have to. So I'm gonna show you my emails that I use that's been working for me, and we're gonna click on that instance. All right, we're gonna go with I'm gonna go with which email will I? I'm gonna send this one. 80% recurring commission, a gift that keeps on giving. All right, guys. So it's a very simple email, very quick, and you can just copy it though. Pause the video, copy this, and you got the whole email. It's a very short email. It just explains what you getting here. It's a very simple email, very quick, easy. You can get clicks on this, right? Send the email, very professional looking. I got my picture here. You can put your picture as well, very simple way. And yeah, put your link here. You see I got the link right there. It's a very simple email. All right, I'm repeating myself, so let's move on here. Make sure to click on perfect time, and they'll send an email around time people check emails. So it's a very good chance they'll check your email. All right, guys, make sure to click on that. Make sure to preview. Make sure your link works. I know my link works because I've already sent this email before, so I already checked if my link works. So we just send the email and we are done. It's it. Finished. It's over. And that's all the work you have to do. Once you got a bunch of emails in this system, guys, you don't even have to really get an email. Once you have a ton in here that you can rotate, I say get about 20 to 30 emails you can rotate, and then you just, cause let's see here, I think this is about, I want to say about 50, 60-ish emails, maybe 50, I don't know. But once you get a full list of emails you can rotate, then just, you know, rotate them, and you'll make a lot of money like that. So you just slowly do that. And that's the simplest way I don't seem to make money online in 2023 right now. That's been working really well for me and a bunch of other people. I promise you, you look up My Lead Gen Secrets, a ton of people making a lot of money with it. So try it out, give it a shot. You know what I mean? Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.